Hi guys, so I'm actually coming to you from my kitchen today. I'm not going to be doing a furniture flip, but I am going to be doing a DIY wood conditioning butter. You can use this to rehydrate any type of wood that is unfinished. I do use it on dresser drawers, anything like that. I also use it on cutting boards, wooden spoons, because it is food safe. It's super easy to make, and this recipe makes a lot, and a little goes a long way, so it's gonna last you a long time. I'm just starting to chop up the beeswax. It is a lot easier to use the wax that comes in the pellet form. I didn't have any of that today. I just had this giant block of it, so I'm just chopping it up. All you're going to need is 2 ounces of beeswax. Put into a glass bowl. And then you're going to measure out 10 ounces of hemp oil. Now you're going to want to put this over a double boiler. I just put a saucepan underneath, put about an inch or 2 of water in it, and then put your glass bowl over the top, and then turn it on like a medium to a medium high heat. You're going to want to stir this every once in a while, but the beeswax does take quite a long time to melt. I think in total it took about 25 minutes. If you use the pellets, it'll probably melt a little bit faster because you don't have such a large amount of chunks in there. Now that the wax is completely melted, you're going to want to remove it from the double boiler. Make sure you use a pot holder or something because it is extremely hot. This is completely optional, but I do add a few drops of an essential oil so the wood butter has a really good smell. Here I'm just using the On Guard by doTERRA, but you can use orange, lemon, anything like that. It makes it smell really good. So I'm just going to stir that all the way up, and then I'm going to use a canning funnel, and I'm going to pour it both equally into both of these 2 jars. Once you get your wood butter in your jars, you're going to want to let them sit on the counter overnight, and that'll make sure they're completely solidified, and they'll kind of turn a different green color. Like you can see here, they just look like they're hardened and they're not really liquidy anymore. Now I'm using a waxing brush here to put this on. It's just a really thick, heavy bristled brush. You can go in any direction, straight across, whatever, it doesn't matter, but you just want to make sure you are really getting it into the wood grain of whatever piece you're putting it on. And this stuff is just amazing. It brings such new life into any wood product that you put it on. And that's it, guys. That was so easy to make. Make sure you guys comment down below after you've made your wood butter. Let me know what kind of scent you chose. And always, I will be linking all of the products that I used in the description box below. Have a great week, you guys. I will catch you in the next one. Happy flipping.